Standing in a dark parking lot with a dead engine creates a very specific kind of sinking feeling in your chest. You turn the key and all you hear is a weak, pathetic click. Most of us have been there at the worst possible time. You look at those flimsy, tangled jumper cables in your trunk and hope for a friendly stranger to pull up. But there is a much better way to handle that stress. This rugged power pack is built like a literal tank. It feels heavy and solid in your hand. It does not feel like a cheap plastic gadget that will break the first time you drop it on the pavement. When you hold it, you actually feel a sense of relief. The design is tough and meant for real-world messes in the rain or the cold. One of the best parts is how it handles the fear factor. Many people are genuinely terrified of sparks or accidentally frying their expensive car electronics. This unit has built-in protection that makes those worries disappear. It is completely spark-proof. It also features reverse polarity protection. That means even if you are shaking from the cold and hook it up backward, nothing bad happens. It simply will not let you cause a disaster. The cranking power is the real headline here. It does not hesitate for a second. When you hook it up, it delivers a massive surge of energy the moment you need it. Your engine turns over fast and strong. It is not just a one-hit wonder either. You can jump multiple vehicles on a single charge. This is a huge deal if you are helping out a neighbor or dealing with a battery that is truly on its last legs. You can leave it in your trunk for months and it still holds that charge remarkably well. That reliability is exactly what you need in a true emergency. It is more than just a car tool though. It doubles as a portable power station for your daily life. You have ports for your phone or your tablet. There is even a power socket for your various car accessories. This makes it a great companion for a weekend camping trip or a busy work site. Now, it is important to be realistic. The display is pretty basic. You do not get a deep dive into complex battery health metrics or digital readouts. It just tells you the essentials you need to know. Also, do not expect it to run heavy power tools or large kitchen appliances. It is meant for smaller devices and getting your vehicle back on the road. For the price, it hits a very sweet spot in the market. It bridges the gap between those tiny, weak starters and the massive industrial units that are too big to carry. Using it is incredibly straightforward even for a total beginner. First, you make sure the vehicle is off. You take the heavy-duty clamps and connect the red one to the positive terminal. Then, you put the black one on the negative side. The markings are very clear and easy to see in the dark. Once they are secure, you press the power button. You can pick your mode and watch the clear indicators. When it gives you the signal, you just start the car like normal. Let it run for a minute to get the alternator moving. Then you turn off the power pack before you unhook anything. Always remember to take the black clump off first, then the red one. Tuck it back into its storage spot and you are ready for the next time life throws a curveball at your commute. It is compact enough to tuck away in a corner of your trunk without taking up all your grocery space. You will forget it is even there until the moment you absolutely need it. That peace of mind is worth the investment. You are not just buying a battery. You are buying a way out of a bad situation. It stays ready for weeks or even months without losing its juice. That is the kind of gear you can actually trust when things go wrong on a lonely road.